In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to scan a document with your phone using the Google Drive app. So, if you need to scan a document and you don't have a scanner, but you do have a phone or tablet, you can just install the Google Drive app if you haven't already, and you'll be able to scan your document and upload it to Google Drive really easy. You will need to have the Google Drive app installed on your phone or tablet, so if it's not installed already, you'll just need to open up the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Google Drive and install it to make sure you know how to install an app. And then, once you're in the Google Drive app, you'll just need to tap on the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner here. And then, in this menu that pops up, tap Scan. And now, depending on your phone, it might ask you if you want to allow Google Drive to access the camera, if this is the first time you're doing it, but obviously you just need to allow it to do that by tapping Allow, and then you'll be ready to scan. So, to scan your document, you just need to position it nice and flat on a table or something, so that it's easy to scan, and then with your phone or tablet with the Google Drive app having this camera app open, you'll just need to position it so that the document about fills it. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because it'll fix that for us later. You just have to make sure you get it all in and try and hold your phone as flat as you can. And then once you're happy, that looks about right, you can just tap on the Take a Picture button here. And now it will take this picture. So it'll show you the picture here and give you an option to retry if you want. So if you get it quite wrong on the first try, you might need to tap retry and just take another one. But if you're happy with that, and Timmy would say that looks reasonably good, you can tap OK. And now it will sort of look at your picture and figure out what part is the document and give you a scanned looking document like that. So that looks reasonably good, but if it didn't do it quite right or it cut off a corner or something, you can tap the crop button here and adjust it. So you'll see we're back to the picture now, and if this corner here wasn't quite right, you could tap and hold on that dot and just drag it until it is correct. So Timmy will line it up with the page there and then let go. And then once you're happy with that, you can tap Done, and that should fix it. And you can also change the coloring if you want. It's currently set to black and white, and Timmy would recommend leaving it that way as long as you only have black and white stuff in your document, because that sort of works the best. Timmy will show you, if you tap here and change it to color, it sort of looks more like a photo and gives it a bit of an off color. So if your document has color in it and you have to have color, you can do that and it will look okay. But if you can, Timmy would recommend leaving it set to black and white, and that just looks a bit more polished and as though you did it with a real scanner. So that's really cool, and that's really all there is to that. And now, once you're happy with your scan, if this was the only page you're going to scan, you could tap Save here and save your new scanned PDF. But if you have multiple pages you want to scan, and you want them to be scanned into the same PDF document, you can tap this plus icon here, and now you'll be able to scan your next page. So once again, you just need to put the next page on the table or some other flat surface and hold your phone over it like this and tap the button, and now you've scanned this page. So if you need to retry this page, you can tap retry here, but as long as you're happy with it, you can tap OK. And now it will do the same for this page, so you can adjust the cropping if you need to, or if you tap this button, that will remove this page and you'll just be left with the previous page you scanned. So if it really doesn't work out, you can just tap that button and remove it, and you can change the color again. And you can also rotate the page, so if it's rotated the wrong way, you can tap that button and rotate it, but it is rotated the correct way. And now, once you're happy with all that, you can add another page if you want to, but Timmy only has a 2-page document, so Timmy will tap Save, and now it will proceed to save this 2-page PDF. So you get a few options here. You can choose the name of the scan if you want. So at the moment it just says scanned and then the current date, so you could just leave it at that. But if you wanted to type in the name of what it actually is, you can tap in here and delete that and type something different. And you can choose what Google account you want it to save to, because this scan will be saved into your Google Drive account. So Timmy wants it to be saved there, but if you wanted the scan to be saved into a different Google account, you could just tap that and change it. And you can also choose the folder you want it to be saved in. So by default, it will be My Drive, which is just the normal main folder in Google Drive. But if you want to save it somewhere else, you can tap on that and then select a different folder. So you could put it inside example folder or something like that. Then you would just tap select to save it there. But Timmy's going to just save it into My Drive. So Timmy will go back out of that. And then once you're happy with it all, you can tap Save and your scan will be saved and it will begin uploading to Google Drive. But if you're not currently connected to Wi-Fi and you're using mobile data like 4G or 5G, it might not start uploading straight away. You might get this notification here that says one upload paused, waiting for Wi-Fi. So if that happens, you can either wait until you're connected to Wi-Fi and then it will automatically upload then, or you can just tap resume here and the upload will start straight away. It really doesn't use much data to upload a PDF like this, so Timmy would recommend just doing that and then you can move on. So now, once it's uploaded, you can just go and find the PDF. So it'll be in Files, and because we saved it into My Drive, it's right here. But if you saved it in a different folder, you might have to tap on another folder. And if your Google Drive is not sorted by last modified, you might have to scroll down a bit. So if it was sorted by name or something like that, you would have to scroll down to S, where all the S files are. But Timmy's is sorted by last modified with the most recent file at the top. So it's right here. And now once you've found it here, you can tap on it and open it and view it like this. Looks like a reasonably good scanned PDF. And if you wanted to download it to your phone, you could tap the 3 dots here and then tap download, and then it would be downloaded to your phone. So if you need the document on your phone for something, you can do that. Or you could share it with people via Google Drive, which Timmy shows you how to do in a different video. So you might want to go and watch that. Or if you want the file on your computer, you can go to drive.google.com on your computer and download it from there. And Timmy has another video showing you how to do that. But that's really cool, and that's all there is to scanning a document with the Google Drive app on your phone. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and Timmy will see you in the next one.